Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Government awaits RBI guidelines on interest waiver on loans. 375 crores due for payment from mining sector to cooperative banks and societies. Another junket in happening scrapped, this time by GCA members. Proposed trip to non-cricket playing nations cancelled at last moment following media pressure. Muslims celebrate Eid-ul-Fitr. Brethren sing praying early morning in mosques and exchanging wishes. Sheer, korma and biryani add flavor to fervor. Congress disowns Rane's statement on speeding up Mopa Airport. Alex Reginald says it's Rane's personal view, vows to fight for doubling against Mopa. And Goa Football Development Council launches pre-academies for youth development. North and South Goa pre-academies to admit best of grassroots talents. Now the news in detail. Goa government still awaits RBI's reply on waiver of interest on loans borrowed by the mining dependents from cooperative banks and credit societies. Borrowings by barge owners, tipper owners and allied borrowers have touched 375 crore mark. Cooperative banks have already conveyed to the government that they cannot waive off interest unless RBI comes out with concrete direction. Chief Minister had said Goa government can assist the loanees once RBI clears its position.
15
days have passed. Reserve Bank of India has still not replied to the Goa government's proposal of interest waiver on loans borrowed by the mining dependents. Cooperative banks and the societies are awaiting the direction. During the meeting with the banks and financial institutions, state government had resolved to write to the RBI seeking a direction on the waiver. The latest figure from government record on borrowing in mining sector says loans advanced by the cooperative banks and societies on the tipper trucks, barge owners and other mining related business touches a 375 crores mark. The figure only indicates loans advanced from the cooperative banks and societies. Total loans borrowed by tipper owners is 164.61 crores. Barge owners comes to 98.64 crores and other mining related business is 112.36 crores. Out of 42 cooperative banks and societies, Goa Urban Cooperative Bank leads with 142 crore due for payment. Goa State Cooperative Bank is awaiting 130 crore loan repayment. Madgaon Urban Cooperative Bank 35 crores while VPK Urban Credit Society awaits repayment of 30 crores. Around 40 crores is due for repayment to the remaining 39 cooperative banks and societies. Altogether, loan of 800 to 1000 crores is due for repayment in nationalized banks and public sector banks, including cooperative sector financial institutions. RBI in its financial stability report to Union government has suggested that there should be no more NPA cases in banks. Now, Union Finance Ministry has directed the RBI to list out banks having NPAs and exercise control wherever needed. Ministry has also asked them to appoint divisional officers to keep a vigil on increasing NPAs in banks. In such circumstances, Goa government has appealed to the RBI to waive off interest on loans and government is awaiting RBI's reply on it. Bureau Report, Prudent.
A junket to England, Germany, Italy and Switzerland by members of Goa Cricket Association has been scrapped at the last moment. 5 members of GCA were scheduled to visit non-playing countries like Germany and Switzerland at the cost of the association, just like the Brazil-going political masters. But due to internal rift and media pressure, the junket has been cancelled.
Usually members of a cricket association visit a cricket-playing foreign nation to gain experience of cricket conditions there. But 5 members of our own Goa Cricket Association had planned a trip to non-playing countries like Germany and Switzerland, that too at the cost of the association. But in the last moment, it was scrapped. Senior Vice President of GCA Dr. Shekhar Salkar says that he is not aware of planning of any such trip. But he justifies the trip as association sponsors such trip for its members once a year.
Whatever money we have put in the infrastructure of the cricket has yielded results. Yes, थोडे पैसे आमकां ते एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन हाका वापरचे पडटात. Money is not of the taxpayers' money. This money we get as a grant from BCCI. BCCI itself sends this all. आता प्रेसिडेंट सेक्रेटरी जो आमचो होता म्हणजे बाळू होता आणि चेतन होता, they are not going from GCA money. They are going because they are sent by BCCI. So if BCCI can send Balu and these, why we cannot send our players to see?
The junket was cancelled as internal rift within the GCA led to leaking of the story to various media houses in Goa, including Prudent. According to GCA sources, details of this junket was leaked to the media by the rival group, and due to pressure of media reports, GCA had to cancel the junket. Due to internal rivalry, reports of financial irregularities of the association have been leaked to the media. Interestingly, each camp is alleging other camp for financial irregularities. The mess within the GCA reveals just one fact. Nothing much has changed after the forceful exit of former GCA President Dayanand Narvekar, and the promise of clean and a non-corrupt GCA is still lying in the dressing room. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Muslim brethren celebrated Eid-ul-Fitr on Tuesday with much faith and devotion. Month-long fasting during Ramadan concludes with Eid. The faithfuls flock to mosques early morning for special Eid prayers. It is believed that chanting of this prayer helps one to overcome difficulties and shun bad things. Sheer Korma Biryani marked the speciality on the festive occasion. Take a look.
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar.
Eid Mubarak, Eid Mubarak. सब लोगों को हमारा ईद मुबारक, ईद मुबारक, ईद मुबारक. सब लोगों को हमारा ईद मुबारक.
ईदा दिसाचे आमी आसा स्पेशली आमचे स्पेशल आयटम म्हणटा ते शीर खुर्मा. शीर खुर्मा आमी करता, मागीर चिकन या मटन बिर्याणी आसता, मागीर वेरायटीज ऑफ वेज आसता. वेज कित्याक ह्या फावटी आतां श्रावण चालू जाल्लो आसा, त्या खातीर आमचे जे हिंदू भाव कोण आसा पळय ते नॉर्मली नॉन वेज खायना श्रावणान, त्या खातीर आमकां ते वेज दवरूंक पडटा.
हज़ारों की तादाद में लोगों ने नमाज में शिरकत की और एक महीने के बाद जो रोज़ा रखने के बाद जो सेलिब्रेट मनाया जाता है, आज ईद मुबारक वापस दी गई और इसी तरह खुशियों का इजहार किया गया.
ईद मुबारक, ईद मुबारक.
ईद-उल-फित्र की तहे दिल से मुबारकबाद पेश करता हूँ.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.